Hi guys, so this is how to dismantle it. As he's doing it now, you only have four places where you lose screw. These ones are being packaged for Waybill. You'll be going to Benue State, Boko to be precise. So as you can see it now, as you can see. So after binding it like this, we use sellotape so that everything will be intact. And when they receive it over there, they will just couple it back. This is one of the most easiest way. So for some of you who always think distance is a barrier, it's actually not a barrier. All you need is just to get somebody who will help you measure it. Any aluminum technician can help you measure it. As soon as they give us a proper measurement of it, we will fabricate it and then package it like this, so that when it gets to that location, they will just couple it back and install it. No challenge, everything is completely okay. So after binding it like this, we will tie all of them together. There are 18 windows in all. This white color is 18 windows, and then this gray color is going to Guzape in Abuja here. There's a place called Guzape in Abuja, Nigeria. That is where this gray color will be going. Tomorrow morning, all of them will be leaving, all the gray colors. But for the whites, this night it will be traveling to Benue State. And by tomorrow morning, it will arrive Boko in Benue State, where the client will pick it up from the park and then proceed for installation. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.